All right, here's what you're doing on the heavy bag to get better at boxing, specifically with your head movement. And we are working on dipping or loading from a high position to a low position to load a big shot. In this aspect, we can think of a big left hand, turning it all the way over, or a big right hand, turning it all the way over. Two things I want you to pay attention to is the position of the bag and the position of you when you're throwing these shots off. If I'm going into a big right hand, I want the bag to go ahead and be over my left shoulder to start. So that way, if they move their head from my left shoulder all the way to my right, I can still drag this shot all the way through. When I'm thinking about throwing a big left hand, I want the bag to go ahead and be over my right toe first. So that way, if I throw this big left hand and they move their head from my back foot over to my front foot, I can still drag that shot all the way through. Emphasis always making sure that you protect the space that you're going into and the space that you're in and the space that you just left from. So what this looks like on the bag is we're going to get the jab to get into those positions. So the first jab that I throw is a jab there to get into that front foot to go and ask the question to see what my opponent does from there. Then I would get out. Now I will get back into that position to throw that shot. Jab, down, over, and my engagement, go ahead and get out. Now I'm going to get back into loading the right hand once again. Jab first, load, get out just to get that information. Then I'm going right into the shot again. Jab, load, right hand, get out according to wherever the bag is at. That's what you're doing on the heavy bag today to get better at boxing, focusing on your head movement. Do that for a minute at a time, 30 seconds on. As you get better, minute 30. As you get better, 2 minutes. As you get better, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. As you get better, 3 minutes. But that is the emphasis on the bag today. Loading from a high to a low position to throw a big right hand, which is a rear hand, or a big left hand, which is a lead hand. Southpaw, it's going to be opposite for you. Big rear hand is going to be your left, big lead hand is going to go ahead and be your right. But that's how you're going to be intentional in the bag to get better at your head movement and still applying it to boxing. But that is the emphasis for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Well, I'll see you in the next one. Ask me questions so I can help you get better at boxing. Footwork course is still available for you. The phase 2 has been moved to May 15th. I still have all my online options for you guys in the entire system for a beginning boxer. But once again, ask me questions. That's what I make videos on. And I'll see you guys in the next one.